Welcome. I welcome you all. Myself is Professor Dr. Deshpande, and I would like to welcome you all. I will immediately start my session. As you know very well, this video is a continuation of medicinal herbal plants, medicinal herbs, which are mentioned in Ayurveda, which are mentioned in the Dravyaguna vignyan subject of Ayurveda. We are understanding the different medicinal herbs on the basis of shlokas. But we are not only reciting or chanting the shlokas. Professor Deshpande is explaining the important words in the shlokas and how these words can be applicable in your medical practice. So these videos are not only about shlokas. Of course, these are basically based on shlokas. My dear friends, as you know very well, that medicinal herbs are more safer and more dear and near to our human life, because that can help us a lot for the prevention of the disease as well as the cure of the disease. Because Ayurveda has the aim and object, swasthasya swastharakshanam aturasya vyadhi parimokshaha. To maintain the health is the prime importance in Ayurveda. So I have already discussed a lot Rasayan herbs like Guduchi, Shatavari, Ashwagandha. These are called as an immunomodulator. So in Corona pandemic, I already mentioned about those plants which can boost your immunity. Some plants are useful in the different diseases, but we must understand the specific stage of the disease, whether it is a Samavastha with toxin or Nirama Avastha, whether it is an acute condition, whether it is a chronic condition. But Ayurvedic herbs are very easy to use for the doctors. Whatever I discuss over here, these videos are very helpful for the Ayurvedic students, medical students, not only Ayurvedic. Then the teachers or the professors, Ayurvedic medical practitioners, or other fraternity practitioners. At the same time, these videos are helpful for these people of the society directly, because these are medical educational videos. But these videos are observed or looked or assessed by the different common man also. And they are also very happy, because those who are interested to know little bit about health, they are definitely benefited by Professor. Sorry. Excuse me. A little bit dryness. So these videos are helpful for the common man as well. But I request all these people that they should not use the medicines or whatever I am telling directly. I do not recommend the self-medication. I always tell that this increase your general knowledge, but you must take the help of the medical registered practitioners. So myself is Professor Dr. Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. So 2 post-graduation degrees are with me. This is my personal website, ayurvedicfriend.com. And this is my mobile number or WhatsApp number, 922681060. This is my mail ID, Professor Deshpande @gmail.com. I am going further. Just a moment. Sorry. Okay. So I should move further with the next slide. I'm just checking what it is happening, because it should scroll. Okay. So these are the Dravyaguna Shlokas of herbs, and this PPT includes the important shlokas of medicinal herbs. They are useful for the Ayurvedic students, teachers, and practitioners. Shlokas include the synonyms, the different names for the herbs. The different names give the different idea about the properties and the structure and the function. But I am not discussing many about the synonyms. I am concentrating on the properties and indications. Shlokas are like the mathematical or the chemical formulae, which gives the vast information in only few lines. Shlok recitation is very helpful for everybody. Most important shlokas are given with Sandhi Vigraha. That is the specialty of Professor Deshpande. Professor Deshpande, that is myself, always recommend that if the shlokas are given with Sandhi Vigraha, they are easy to read, easy to understand the meaning, and easy to remember. Plants are arranged alphabetically, so you can find out the different parts, because this is the series of the videos. Nearly 6, 7, 8 videos will be there. Medicinal herb shlokas and discussion. I have already uploaded part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. This is the part 5, and it will begin from the plant number 62. Okay, so I will just scroll the screen and directly try to reach on the number 62 where we are beginning today. Okay, just hold. Yes, Nagkeshar, Mesua Feria, Naksafa. Okay, Paryay synonyms. Nagapushpaha smruto nagaha, Kesharo Nagkesharaha, Champeyo Nagkijan Janjalkaha, Kachitaha, Kanchana Vahya. Bhava Prakash, all the references are from Bhava Prakash, Karpuradi group. What are the properties and functions? Nagapushpam, Kashayam, Ushnam, Ruksham, Lagu, Amapachanam. Jvara, Kandu, Trusha, Sveda, Chardi, Rullas, Nashanam. Daurgandh, Kushta, Visarpa, Kafapitta, Vishapaham. Bhava Prakash, Karpuradi Gana. Vasavaleha contains Nagkeshar. Vasavaleha is the best medicine as a rasayana for chronic respiratory problems like bronchiectasis or emphysema or chronic bronchitis. It is also the content of Chavanaprash. Chavanaprash is a jam of amala fruit. Chavanaprash is the best rasayana to prevent the corona or COVID-19. So you must take every morning 2 teaspoons of big spoon of on empty stomach. Rasayana medicine should be taken on the empty stomach. Try to understand. This is like the food. Chyawanprash is like the food. I will recommend Ayurveda Sishala. I am experiencing since last many years. Ayurveda Sishala Pune, the best Chyawanprash. So you must take this Chyawanprash because it is the whole body rasayana, but it's specifically rasayana for respiratory tract. And COVID, corona, majority affect the lungs. So Chyawanprash can best prevention rasayana according to me. Now, talking about Nagkeshar, you can understand the properties. Ushna and Ruksha. So naturally it is Amapachana. What is Ama? Ama is a undigested toxin-like substance in the body which damages your immune system. It is undigested material. So Ahara Rasa becomes Ama. All the dhatus become Ama. So this drug will take care to kill or to reduce, to dissolve that particular toxin. Okay, Ama. Ama is a very specific. Ama creates the Kha-Vaigunya, Stroto-Vaigunya, Stroto-Rodha. Try to understand. Stroto-Rodha. And Ayurvedic says that pathology in any disease, Stroto-Rodha is the main problem. Okay. So this is a Ruksha and Lagu. So it is anti-Kapha. So whenever there is a congestion, stagnation and infection. 3 words. 3 words. Congestion, stagnation and infection. All is a link. Okay. So Jwara. What is Jwara? Sama Rasadhatu. Sama Rasadhatu. So whenever there is a high fever in corona, you can use this Nagkeshar single herbal tablets. All the herbal tablets are available from Chaitanya Pharmaceuticals. Ghanavati, Nagkeshar Ghanavati is available. Okay. Kandu, skin diseases, lot of itching. What is that? Kandu. Ayurveda says it's a problem of, write down, Kleda. Kandu is a problem of Kleda. What is Kleda? Kleda is a subtle waste product. Subtle. You cannot observe very clearly what is exactly Kleda. You can see the secretions. That is a part of Kleda. But Ayurveda says Kleda is generated from because of unnecessary moisture or tissue waste product is accumulating in that area, and that starts the itching. Tinea cruris, infected wounds. Wet, W-E-T, eczema. You can use this Nagkeshar Ghanavati. Trusha, thirst, but not because of the Nirama Pitta. Try to understand. Sama Pitta, because there is a lot of indigestion. Pitta Dravyaguna is increased and indigestion is there, and that's why because of Amaja Trishna, not Pittaja Trishna. I hope Ayurvedic students are understanding little. Shweta, Medha Dhatu. What is Medha Dhatu? Medo Roga. Medha Dhatu is different. Medo Roga is different. Medha Dhatu is a physiology. Medo Roga is a pathology. Obesity, overweight. Medha Dhatvagni is a Vikrit. And you get the sweat with lot of foul smell, sweating, excessive perspiration because of the obesity. Nagkeshar Ghanavati. Chardi, Prullas, nausea, vomiting because of indigestion. Nagkeshar Ghanavati. Daurgandhya, skin diseases. Here, axilla, sweating is there. Deodorant. Don't use deodorant. Nagkeshar Ghanavati, Amapachak. Kushta, all sorts of skin diseases. Visarpa, erysipelas, but Kaphaja Visarpa. Try to understand. Not Pittaja. Burning? No. Because it is Ushna. Nagkeshar is Ushna. Kapha Pitta Vishapam. Visha is also the toxin. Bacterial attack. Microorganisms. Bacterial toxin. Viral toxin. Fungal toxin. Amoebic toxin. Giardia toxin. Vish. All according to Ayurveda. Vish. Food contamination. Water contamination. You get the diarrhea. Gastroenteritis. Nagkeshar Ghanavati. I hope I am very clarifying the shloka meaning. Because if you don't understand the avastha, sama, nirama, then it will be problem. You will use vataja, pittaja, kaphaja. Very important. Okay. Next. Nimba. Azadiracta indica. Kadu nimba. Don't get confused. In Marathi, kadilimba is a different and kadunimba is a different. Nimbaha syat pichumardaha cha pichumandaha cha tiktaka. Tikta, bitter. Tiktakaha. Arishtaha. Paribhadraha cha hingus niryasa ityapi. Bhava prakash udachadigan. How the Nimbaism? Nimbaha shito laguhu grahi katupaka agni vatanut arudhya shrama trit kasa jwara aruchi krumi pranut vrana pitta kafa chardi krishta rullasa mehanat. This is again little bit amapachak. Kadu Nimba is amapachak. Write down. This is the main characteristic. So it will helpful in all Sama Avastha, Sama Dosh, Sama Dhatu, Sama Mal. Then only you can use Azadiracta indica. But this is softer form. You have seen that previous was Ushna Nagkeshar. This is Shita, Laghu. So Shita Guna is there. So it can be used in a Amavastha as well as sometimes Niramavastha. In the beginning, Amavastha is complete, and in the beginning of Niramavastha, you can, because little bit Shitata is there. Laghu, cleansing effect. Langane Laghava. What is Laghava? It's not only weight loss. It's very freshness of the srotas, lightness in the organ, lightness in the cells, lightness in the organ system. That is called as a Laghu. Langane Laghavaha. Grahi, absorbing the clay, the excessive arm. Katupakaha. Agni Vatanut. It stimulates the fire, stimulates the metabolic process in the body. Try to understand. Arudhya is not very pleasant because it is bitter in taste. Arudhya, not very pleasant for taking or sucking that particular tablet. Shrama, Shrama created because of the Ama. Trut, Trishna because of indigestion, faulty metabolism. Obesity, tiredness. Diabetes, tiredness. Okay, you can use the Nimba. But excessive running, marathon, not eating, fasting, and weakness. No Nimba, no Kadunimba. Kadunimba, when indigestion is there, metabolism is defective, hypothyroidism is there, PCOS is there, skin diseases are there, obesity, diabetes mellitus, hyperlipidemia, dyslipidemia, yes, Nimba is there. Jvara, Kasa, Kafaja Kasa. Sometimes Pittaja Kasa because Shita is also there. Jvara is always Samata in Rasadhatu. Remember, Rasa Pradoshaja Vikar. Rasa va Srotas Vyadhi. Jvara is, write down, Jvara is Rasa vaha Srotas Vyadhi. So you must give the drugs, medicines which are having Rasa Pachak. In the market, Rasa Pachak tablets are available. Write down Rasa Pachak tablet. You must give in the Jvara, fever. Aruchi, anorexia because of the indigestion. Krimi, any type of roundworm, threadworm, whipworm, tapeworm, any worms, parasites, not only roundworm and threadworm, but please write down. Entamoeba histolytica, amoebiasis, pravahika, giardiasis, use Kadunimba, Ghanavati are available. Vrana, septic wound. Septic first should be there. It's a best antiseptic. Nimba is a best blood purifier. Remember my Paribhadra tail we use. But very interesting. Very carefully here. Nimba contains sulfur. Will you please write down? Nimba contains sulfur. So very few people after application of Nimba taila, they get problems, allergic reactions, urticaria, burning, itching after Nimba application. What is this nonsense? No, it is not nonsense. It is sense. What is that sense? Because Nimba contains sulfur and some people may have allergy of sulfur. So after application of Paribhadra tail, if there is a mild reaction, don't get afraid. Don't get afraid. It is normal, it is natural. Okay? Chardi, Amaja Chardi, Kafaja Chardi, Kushta, all types of skin diseases. Kushta is not leprosy in Ayurveda. Kushta means, but here, what are the conditions? Write down chronic eczema. Wet, W-E-T, wet, lot of secretions are there. Blood purifier, Kadunimba is a blood purifier. But not in the Pittaja or Vataja, not in the burning. Burning it's okay because it is Shita. But Vataja, Ruksha, no, better not. Okay? Rullas, Nausea, Meha, Prameha, Madhumeha, Diabetes mellitus, best medicine. Pancha Nimbadi Churna is available in the market. Pancha Tikta Grita, fantastic medicated ghee. I will recommend everybody of you, whenever you have any chronic skin diseases, recurrence is there, try this Pancha Tiktaka Grita, 1 spoonful every day morning on empty stomach for minimum 1 month. Your itching will go, definitely. Your secretions will be less. This ghee is little bit bitter. Warm water is anupan. Warm water. Drinking warm water will cleanse that slimminess of the ghee. So you must remember these tricks, practical tricks. Nirgundi, Vitex, Negundo, Nirgundo, Vitex, Negundo. Pariyay, Sindhuvaraha, Shweta Pushpaha, Sindhukaha, Sindhuvaragaha. Neela Pushpitu Nirgundi, Shefali. Shefali, Suvaha Chasa. Bhav Prakash Gudichadi group. Gunakarma means properties and functions. Sindhukaha, Smrutidaha, Tiktaha, Kashayaha, Katukaha, Laghu, Kesho, Netrahito, Hanti, Shul, Hanti, Shul, Shoth, Amamarutan, Krumi, Krishtha, Aruchi, Shleshma, Jwaran, Anila Api Tatvidha, Sindhu, Varadalam Jantu, Vata Shleshmaram Laghu. Bhava Prakash Gudichadigan, Nirgundi Tail, very famous in Ayurveda, Nirgundi Tail. Everybody knows Nirgundi because it is very helpful for taking care of Vata Vyadhi, means musculoskeletal diseases. Musculoskeletal diseases, Nirgundi, steam. Two things you must write down. What is the best treatment for Vataja Vyadhi or musculoskeletal problems? Like muscle pain, muscle cramp, bone pain, bony joint pain, arthritis, rheumatic fever, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, cervical spondylosis, back pain, lumbago, lumbar pain, knee joint pain, everywhere. Muscle, joint, muscle, bone, joint. In all these three things, whenever there is a Vata Vriddhi, whenever there is a Vata problem, neuromuscular junction has been damaged. Conduction is not good to make the Vatanulomana. What is the best treatment? Snehana and Svedana. Snehana means oil massage. Svedana is a fomentation. So Nirgundi oil can be used externally. In the market, Shefali Vati is available. Write down. What is the name? Shefali Vati. Shefali Vati from Vidyananda Lab. Very slow. I am giving the space for writing down. Shefali Vati from Vidyananda Lab, Thane. You can search on the Google. Shefali tablet means tablet of the Nirgundi inside. Nirgundi oil externally. And when you give the steam, Nadi Sveda, steaming, in that water, put the Nirgundi leaves. So three ways you can use the Nirgundi. Nirgundi Ghanavati or Shefali Vati inside orally. What for? Can you see? Hanti Shulam. You must remember this word for Nirgundi. Hanti Shulam, analgesic. Analgesic, anti-inflammatory Nirgundi. Analgesic, anti-inflammatory Nirgundi. Control the pain, musculoskeletal. Sprain is there. Ankle sprain is there. Muscle cramp in the calf muscle. Nirgundi. Don't forget Nirgundi. Okay. Shoth, anti-inflammatory. Edema will be reduced because it is Katukaha and Lagu. Then Krumi. Inside you take the Shefali tablet or Nirgundi Ghanavati. It will help whenever there is a dandruff. Kesh. Whenever there is arm, itching is there in the head. Your hair fall because of the dandruff. Darunak. Indralupta. You remember this word? Indralupta, alopecia areata. Darunak, dandruff in the hair. I am not saying burning. I am not saying burning of the head, burning of the skull. I am saying itching of the skull and falling of the hair. Then Nirgundi Ghanavati is basically for Kesha, it is very rarely Nirgundi oil is applied. Some oils on the hair, they contain a part of Nirgundi, but totally Nirgundi is not applicable. Kushta, I am sorry, Netrahitu, whenever there is a lot of clay in the eyes, congestion, irritation is there, conjunctivitis is there, some excessive tearing, watering, inflammation, then Nirgundi Ghanavati. Okay? Hanti Shulam, Ama is also clear. Strotorodh is relieved. According to Ayurveda, Strotorodh because of the And when Ama is relieved, Ama is dissolved, then Roth is clear and everything is all right. Okay. Congestion is reduced. Congestion, inflammation is reduced. Kushta, all types of skin diseases, Krimi, helminth, hookworm, tapeworm, whipworm, roundworm, and amoeba and giardia. Aruchi, anorexia due to indigestion. Shleshma problem, Jwaran, Shleshma Jwaran, Kafaja Jwar, a lot of sinusitis is there, rhinitis is there, weight cough is there, then you can use. Anil Api, it can, Vata Kapha problems, they are cured by Nirgundi. Vata Kapha problem, Margavarodhajanya Vata Prakop is relieved by Nirgundi. Patha, Coculus hirsutus. Pahadavel, Patha. Patha, Ambashtaki cha Prachina, Papachelika. Ekashtila Rasa Prokta, Patika, Varatiktika. Guruchadigana. Bhavaprakash, of course. Gunakarma, Patha, Ushna, Katuka. Tikshna, Vata Shleshmahari, Lagu. Hanti, Shulam, Jwaraha, Chardi, Kushta, Atisara, Hritrijaha. Dah, Kandu, Vishaswasa, Krumi, Gulma, Garavranan. Bhavaprakash Guruchadigana. In the market, Pushanugachurna contains Patha. Pushanugachurna is a powder, best medicine for Pradara. White discharge in the females. Leukorrhea problem. You should take Pushanugachurna, 1 spoon with warm water 3 times in a day. Pushanugachurna. Or you can take Patha Ghanavati. Patha Ghanavati, 2 tablets 3 times in a day with warm water. Haridra Khand. Haridra means turmeric. It also contains Patha. This Haridra Khandi you can take for Krimi, hookworm, tapeworm, roundworm, threadworm, and amoeba and giardia. Any infection, skin infection, bacterial, viral, any infection. Okay. Ushna. You must remember Ushna Tikshna. Again, what you understand? This is very clear. This will clear up the arm. Strotorodhajanyavata prakop because of the arm. Blockings of the channels, micro and macro. Patha is hot, hit and hot. So, Vata Kapha problem. Vata Kapha problem because of the obstruction. So, because of the tikshna, because of the spicy thing, because of the lagu thing, it will clear. Like your scissors, cut. Like that, okay? Hanti Shulam. I have already told, whenever there is arm, Margavarod is there and pain will start. Congestion, infection. I have already, stagnation, congestion, stagnation because of the arm. Congestion is there and then infection is there. So it will clear everything. Jwara, Rasa Samata will be clear. Chardi, due to the indigestion. Kafaja Chardi, Amaja Chardi. Kushta, weight eczema. Tinea cruris. Atisar, Kafaja Atisar. Amaja Atisar. Hritrijaha, chest pain because of the indigestion. Gas in the stomach, bloating. Daha, Samapitta, remember my words. Not Niramapitta. Samapitta should be there. You know the symptoms and signs of Samata and Niramata. That I will discuss in another video. Kandu, itching, it indicates the clay is there. Whenever there is a kandu, clay, the excess is there. Visha, every toxin, bacterial, viral, fungal. Contamination, food contamination, water contamination. Shwasa, Shwasa, not dry cough. Breathlessness with lot of congestion. Cough is there. Sinusitis, bronchitis, bronchiectasis. Patha is the best. Krimi, all the worm infection, anti-helminthic, analgesic, anti-inflammatory. Gulma, tumors. Gar is also Visha. Vranan, septic wounds, diabetic wounds. Next. Palasha, Butia, Monosperma, Palas. Palashaha, Kinshukaha, Parno, Yadniyo, Rakta Pushpaka. Kshara Sreshto, Vatapotho, Brahma Vrukshaha, Samit Varaha. Bhavaprakash, Vatadi group. Palasho, Deepano, Vrishaha. Saraha, Ushnaha, Vrana, Gulmajit. Bhagna, Sandhana Krit. Dosha, Grahani. Arshaha, krimin hare. Kashayaha katukaha tikta snigdaha gudaja rogajit. Bhav Prakash Vatadigana. Palasha kshar alkali is used to treat the any tumors. Gulma means tumor. Haridra khand with turmeric. It is used anti-helminthic. Krumi is a parasite. Worms, helminth. Shita pitta urticaria. Krumi mudgara rasa. Also for the worms as well as in the kusht. Palasha is again you can see it is deepen, stimulant to the digestive fire, carminative, appetizer. Ushna guna is there. So it is again cleansing effect. Septic wounds will be clear. Bhagna sandhan, any damage to the bones, it will heal. Healing process will be fast because of the normal metabolic processes in the body. It will not directly help, but it will indirectly help for union of the two bones by taking precaution of body metabolism. Okay? Grahani, irritable bowel syndrome, malabsorption syndrome, enteritis, colitis, all these things are Grahani Vyadhi in Ayurveda. Grahani is the name of organ, like small intestine. Grahani is the name of disease also in Ayurveda. So this can be cured. Arsha, dry piles, not the wet piles, not the bleeding piles. Krimi, anti-helminthic. Then Katuka, Tikta, both bitter and pungent taste are always clearing the arm. Snigdha, it is not too drying effect. Guda Rogajit, anorectal problems like fissure, fistula, and what is the third? Parikartika, piles. Fissure means parikartika. Then Bhagandar, fistula in ano, and piles arsha. In all these conditions, Palasha can be useful. Patol, Trichosanthus dioica. Patolaha, Kulakaha, Tiktaha, Pandukaha, Karkashashchadaha, Rajifalaha, Pandufalaha, Rajayaha cha Amrutafalaha, Bija Garbaha, Pratika cha Pushtaha, Kasa Bhanjanaha. So we will read the Gunakarma more, properties and functions. Patolam, Pachanam, Rudyam, Vrisham, Lagu, Agnideepanam, Snigdam, Ushnam, Hanti, Kas, Astra, Jwara, Doshatre, Krimin, Patolasya Bhavet Moolam, Virechanakaram Sukhat, Nalam, Shleshmaharam, Patram, Pittahari, Phalam Punaha, Doshatreharam Proktam, Tadvat Tikta Patolika, Bhav Prakash Shaka Varga. Patol means Padwar in Marathi. Kadu Padwar. Ayurveda says this is the best vegetable to eat. Because why it is best medicine? Why it is the best? Shaka Varga means vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Or in the vegetable group. Not exactly this is vegetable. Kadu Padwar. Okay. This is Patoladi Kwath is available in the market, which is used as anti-inflammatory or in the Shoth. Patola Katurohinyadi Kashaya. Patola Katurohinyadi Kashaya for treating the ascites. Because it is Virechana. Can you see? Moola roots are Virechana Karam Sukhat. Udara Vyadhi. Udara Vyadhi. Please write down. What is Udara in Ayurveda? Udara is compared with the modern medicine as a ascites. Accumulation of excessive peritoneal fluid after liver problem. Infective hepatitis because of virus A, virus B, virus C, virus D, virus E. Liver, most important organ, liver. But viral B, serum jaundice is created. And that virus B is more dangerous. Viral A is our normal jaundice because of the contaminated water. But virus B, be careful because it can cause liver cirrhosis. After liver cirrhosis, there may be ascites or liver cancer even. So we must take precaution of the liver. But in Udara Vyadhi, in ascites, modern doctors, what they do, what physician advise, what surgeon do, peritoneal tapping. Remove the fluid. Okay, that is okay. But you understand, recurrence is there. Recurrence. Again and again fluid accumulation. For that matter, I will recommend for ascitic patient, you must take the advice of nearby Vaidya or Professor Deshpande. Liver problem, Ayurveda is the best. For treating the Udara Vyadhi, what is the Chikitsa Sutra? Nityam enam virechayet. Will you please write down? Nityam enam virechayet. These patients should be given frequent virechana chikitsa. What is virechana? Therapeutic purgation. Panchakarma. Vamana virechana basti, raktamokshana and nasya. Virechana is a detoxification process. And what Ayurveda says? Nitya, frequent. Every after 8 days, every after 15 days, every after 1, give the virechana. Nityam enam virechet for ascites, for any chronic psoriasis patient, skin diseases, you give nityam enam virechet. So here you can use Patol, formulation of Patol, Patoladiquat, Patula Rohinyadi. But this is also very helpful for Agni Deepana. Metabolic process is stimulated all over the body. Dhatvagni is stimulated. By clearing all the tissues, it becomes helpful for Shukra Dhatu. Shukra Dhatu is the final product of all tissue metabolism. Rasa, Rakta, Mouse, Med, Asti, Majja, good, then Shukra, good. Rasa, Rakta, Mouse, Med, Asti, Majja, good, then Shukra, good. So whole Dhatvagni are stimulated and then it is Vrishya. Do you understand how Vrishya action has taken place? Understanding the shloka words is most important. Okay? Ushna is there. So it is Hanti Kas, Kafaja Kas. Cough with expectoration, Patol. Astra, Sama Rakta Dhatu. Jvara, Sama Rasa Dhatu. Krimi, all types of infection. Roundworm, threadworm, tapeworm, and also amoeba, also giardia, and also bacterial infection. Everywhere you can use the Patol. Patol is cleansing your body. Detoxification. Blood purification. Antibiotic. Antiseptic. Home antibiotic. Kitchen medicine. Every day, whoever is suffering from any infection, for example, corona, every day you must take the Patol shak in your lunch and dinner. Very simple, very simple. Steam, not too much spicy and salt, but you can eat Patol very frequently whenever you will suffer from any jvara or the fever. Okay? Then, Shleshmaharam, cough secretions will be reduced, and basically it is Doshatreharam, Vatagna, Pittagna, Kafagna, balancing all the doshas. That is fantastic, Patol. Pushkarmul, Inula resimosa. Pushkarmul. Uktam Pushkarmulam tu Pushkaram chatat. Padma Patram cha Kashmiram. Kushta Bhedam imam Jaguhu. Bhav Prakash Haritakyadi group. Properties and functions. Pushkaram, Katukam, Tiktam, Uktam, Vata Kafajvaran. Vata Kafajvaran. Hanti, Shoth, Aruchi, Shwasa, Visheshat, Parshva, Shula, Nut. Products, Agastya Haritaki Avaleh, jam. Best Agastya Haritaki, best jam for respiratory tract problems. Sinusitis, rhinitis, bronchitis, chronic pneumonitis. Write down, pneumonitis, Pushkarmul Ghanavati, pneumonitis, corona infection, Pushkarmul. Immediately, whenever there is a patch, Pushkarmul. Ghanavati, 2 tablets 3 times in a day. You can take it under the consultation of registered medical practitioner. If you are student doctors, no problem. But for the layman, always consult with the doctor. Pushkarmul is having again Tikta rasa. Tikta is always Amapachak. Don't forget, Tikta is always bitter taste is Amapachak. And Vata Kapha problem. Vata Kapha Jvara, simple example is, what is simple example? Flu, influenza. But I will tell you, tonsillitis, pharyngitis, laryngitis, whenever there is a congestion, especially pneumonitis and further tuberculosis. And with tuberculosis, pleurisy. Ayurveda recommends for the tubercular pleurisy, Pushkarmul must be taken in addition to the AKT, anti-cox treatment, streptomycin, rifampicin, ethambutol, pyrazinamide. In addition to that, you must Pushkarmul should be given. It is also in the Chavanaprash. You can recommend Chavan, but Pushkarmul Ghanavati, start it immediately with warm water 3 times in a day. Saubhagya Shunti Pak is available, which contains Pushkarmul. It is helpful for Sutika Rog. What is Sutika? After delivery, the lady is called Sutika. Puerperial problem, puerperial fever. Pushkarmul is the best medicine. Next. Parsik Yavani. Hyoscyamus niger. Kurasani ova in Marathi. Parsik Yavani. Yavani, Tiura. Turushko Madakarini. Shatapushpadi group. Dhanvantari Nighantu. It is not Bhavaprakash. Dhanvantari Nighantu is another reference, not Bhavaprakash. Very special, very exceptional. Parsika Yavani tu Yavani Sadrushi Guna. Visheshat Pachani Richa Grahini Madini Guru. Bhavaprakash also referred Haritakyadi group. Yavani, Ruksha, Grahini, Madini, Katuhu. Shatapushpadi group. Sarpagandhavati, it contains Parsik Yavani. Yavani Panchak is there, which is helpful for Balarog, especially diarrhea in the children. Why it is helpful for controlling the diarrhea? Because it is anti-infective. Pachani means carminative. Improve your digestion. Then Rucha, appetizer, by stimulating digestive fire. But Grahini means Ruksha Guna, Shoshane Rukshaha. Shoshane Rukshaha. What the Ruksha property do? Whenever there is unnecessary water secretion, serous secretion, pus secretion, whenever there is abnormal or pathological secretions, they are cleared, cleansing by absorbing that waste products. Am is absorbed. So, Ruksha, Shoshane Ruksha, Grahini is there. But mother is like a tranquilizer. Write down this word. Parsik Yavani is the best medicine to tranquil your mind. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. No habit forming, but again under the supervision of doctors. Parsik Yavani can be given in many psychological problems as well. Insomnia, loss of sleep. Patient cannot sleep because lot of thinking is going on. Then in that case, it gives the nourishment. Guru, who? Yasya bruhane karmani shakti sa guru. What is guru? Are you writing? Yasya dravyasya bruhani karmane shakti. Now here is the confusion. Dr. Deshpande is giving the vast dimension how to understand Ayurveda. Because people think Bruhan means weight gaining. Bruhan means only weight gaining. No, my dear friends. No. Bruhana means nourishing. Sometimes it will nourish Mausa Dhatu. Sometimes it will nourish Med Dhatu. Sometimes it will nourish Asti Dhatu. But this Parsik Yavani is nourishing your Majja Dhatu. Parsik Yavani, Guru. Can you see here, Guru? Yasya bruhane karmani shakti saguru. Bruhana of which element? Majja dhatu in the brain, mind. So when your mind is nourished properly, very proper oxygen, proper glucose, what will happen? Cool and calm. Om Shanti Shanti. So loss of sleep because of the tensions, stress. This is anti-stress medicine. Parsik Yavani, write down. Anti-stress medicine. Lot of tensions are there. Family tension, economical tension, office tension, colleague tension, children tension, wife tension, husband tension, tension. Parsik Yavani Ghanavati, at night 2 tablets with buffalo milk. Anupana. Don't forget. Anupana concept is very nice in Ayurveda. What is Anupana? It's a carrier, catalyst element which we subscribe with the main medicine. Carrier, media, this is the medium. So sometimes hot water, sometimes simple room temperature water, sometimes cold water, sometimes cow's milk, sometimes buffalo's milk, sometimes honey, sometimes ghee. These are all Anupana in Ayurveda. So Parsik, Yavani, Ghanavati, Anupana, buffalo milk, Nidrakar, which is used anxiolytic, tranquilizer, stress management. Okay, so whenever the hysteria is there, epileptic fits are there, use the Parsik Yavani. Okay, Shweta Puarnava, Borhavia diffusa, Puarnava Shweta Mula, Shothagni, Dirghapatrika, Bhavaprakash Guduchadi Group, Katu Kashaya Anurasa, Pandugni, Deepani Para, Shofa Anila Gar, Shleshma Hari, Pradna Udara Pranut, Bhavaprakash Guduchadi Gana, Puarnava Risht in the urinary problems as a diuretic. Puarnavadi Gugulu, Puarnavadi Gugulu, anti-arthritic. Shoth, whenever there is edema is more and pain is there in the arthritis, Puarnavadi Gugulu, 2 tablets 3 times in a day with warm water. Puarnavadi Taila application externally. Puarnavadi Taila is used for Rudabasti. Whenever there is angina, obstruction is there, spasm is there, that is relieved by the Puarnava. I like this plant very much. Why, sir? Why? The name, can you see the name? Puarnava. Puarnava. Puna means re. Nava means new things will come up. New cells, new tissue, new organ, new metabolism. Everything is fresh and new. Puarnava is useful for regeneration process. Please write down. Regeneration. So whenever you find any organ is damaged because of the degeneration and you want regeneration, use the Puarnava Ghanavati. Puarnava Ghanavati, 2 tablets 3 times in a day with different Anupana. Simple is a water. Simple is a milk. Liver damage, hepatitis, cirrhosis, ascites, Puarnava is the best medicine. Heart damage, angina pectoris, ischemic heart disease, congestive cardiac failure, Puarnava Ghanavati. Brain damage, hypertensive encephalopathy, fresh Puarnava decoction. Bring the fresh Puarnava and put it rice tube, that liquid Puarnava decoction or Swarasa, step by step under supervision of doctor. I have myself done this research with great physician in the Pune. Write down, Dr. S.Y. Wagh, W.H. BAMS, LCPS, MD in modern medicine. Working at Dinanand Hospital, Pune as an orthopedic physician. Working at Pune Hospital, Pune, working At that time, I was a registrar with him in the Nanal Hospital, Pune. And we had done very interesting 2 or 3 research projects, fantastic. And we have published in international journal. And what we have proved, when there was, patient was admitted, hypertensive encephalopathy, brain swelling was there, patient had irrelevant talk, 64 years old, lady was there, unconscious, drowsy was there, not responding to the commands. Then in addition to your mannitol, Dr. Wagh and me suggested, rather he decided that we should give trial of Puarnava. You understand, whenever we give the diuretic like Lasix, like mannitol, there is always, we have to check the electrolyte balance. Blood electrolytes we always check, sodium, potassium and all these things. And many times these diuretics, modern diuretics, give the electrolyte imbalance. But my dear friends, I am very happy to tell you that after using this Puarnava decoction, of course, normal temperature, not hot, through the rice tube, because the patient was unconscious. He cannot eat. He could not eat, rather. And within, I think, I remember, within a half day or 1 day maximum, the patient recovered from that edema of the brain. Irrelevant talk vanishes, it was fully conscious. And most important thing, there was not electrolyte imbalance, although the Puarnava is a diuretic herb. This is the speciality of Puarnava herb, that although this is a diuretic, with compared to the modern diuretics, it will not cause the electrolyte imbalance. So excessive fluids is taken out. So this plant is basically Deepana, carminative function is there. Shof, Anila, whatever Vata problems are there, obstructive phenomena is there, congestion is there, it will relieve the congestion. Edema will be reduced of the body. Anasarka, whole body edema, due to the heart, due to the kidney, due to the liver, always use the Puarnava, no problem, okay? Udara ascites, I have already discussed that. Pandu Vyadhi, but again it is because of the defective metabolism. Mud eating problems. So in these particular conditions, you can use the Puarnava because it will stimulate the process of erythropoiesis. You know that in the Pandu, there is hypoproteinemia sometimes and there is edema. So that edema will be cleared and also the anemic condition will be improved. Hemoglobin will be improved. Rakta Puarnava. Puarnava apara rakta, rakta pushpa shiratika, shothagni, kshudra varshabu, varshaketu kathillakaha. Puarnava aruna tikta, katupakaha himalagu, vatala grahini, shleshma pitta, rakta vinashini. Puarnava Google for Shoth and Puarnava Takvat. Near our, both the features of the Rakta and Shweta Puarnava are same, but basically Rakta Puarnava is also very good to control the bleeding problems. Pitta Rakta Vinashini, because this is Hima, cooling in effect. As because of the cooling and Grahini, absorbing the excessive blood loss, it will control the bleeding problems. ITP, idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, hematemesis, hemoptysis. So there you have to use the Rakta Puarnava for controlling that Shleshma and Pitta problem. Okay. Pippali, Piper longum, very interesting plant. Suntamire and Pippali. Do you know this? Trikatu. Very interesting combination. Trifala and Trikatu. Trifala, Hirda, Bheda, Avala. Trikatu, Sunta, Maricha, Pippali. These double triad, this double, Trifala is a triad of 3 and Trikatu is also triad 3. These triad are very, very popular in Ayurveda. Very popular. Write down my words. Because nearly 90% medicines, they contain Trifala and Trikatu both. Trifala and Trikatu both. Because both are removing the Strotorodha and they make the Vatanulomana. Trifala and Trikatu makes the every conduction normal. neurological conduction, chemical conduction, physical conduction. Every conduction will be normal in the body because of Trikatu and Triphala. Trikatu, Katu means spicy, pungent, chili taste. So these are three spices, Suntha, Marich and Pippali. Suntha is a ginger, Marich is a black pepper, and Pippali, this long pepper. Very interesting, Trikatu. Triphala, Hirabeda. It's not only laxative. Laxative with the rectal region, anorectal, it's okay. But I personally believe that Trikatu is metabolic stimulator, metabolism enhancer. And why this metabolic digestion is important, Agni is important, everybody knows. What Ayurveda says? Rogaha sarve api mandegno. Rogaha sarve api sarva. Everything from cold to cancer. Cold means rhinitis. Cold to corona. Everything, every disease, at least something is wrong. Either digestive fire is weak, pancreatic juice is not good, stomach juice, gastric juice is not good, intestinal juice is not good, enzymes are not there, or there may be Dhatvagni man, Rasagni, Raktagni, Mansagni, Medagni, or liver may be damaged, factory, main factor of metabolism. So everything at every level, Trikatu will act. Biosynthesis, best biosynthesis, assimilation, absorption, best. And Triphala, every conduction from head to toe, best conduction, Vatanulomana. What else we require? What else? Because Agni is good, Srotosa are good, no disease. So Trikatu and Triphala are the major components of every formulations. Pippali, Magadhi, Krishna, Vaidehi, Chapala, Kana, Upakulya, Ushna, Shaundi, Kolasya, Tikshna, Tandula. Bhava Prakash Haritakyadi group. Pippali, Deepani, Vrisha, Swadu Paka Rasayani, Anushna, Katuka, Snigda, Vata, Deshmahari, Lagu. Pippali, Rechani, Hanti, Shwasa, Kas, Udara, Jvaran, Kushta, Prameha, Gulma, Arsha, Pliha, Shula, Amamarutan. Ardra, Kafaprada, Snigda, Shitala, Madhura, Guru. Pitta Prashamani, Satu, Shushka, Pitta Prakopini. There is a difference. Ardra, wet Pippali, Pitta Prashamani. And dry Pippali, Pitta Prakopini. You must note down this condition. Pippali, Madhusayukta, Medha, Kafa Vinashini. Shvasa, Kas, Jvarahari, Vrisha, Medya, Agnivardhini. Jirna Jvare, Agnimande, Shashastate, Gura Pippali. Kasa, Ajirna, Aruchi, Shwasa, Ritpandu, Krumirogunu. Bhava Prakash Ritakyadi group. In the market, Pippalyasava is available. Trikatu Churna is available. Trikatu tablet is available. And Pippali Ghanavati is also available. Tausashta Pippali Churna. Best rasayana for Shwasa means bronchial asthma. Breathlessness. You can see how many properties are mentioned. Lot of diseases are mentioned. So Vrisha, Deepani, as I stimulate the carbonative, metabolic processes are good. Rasa, Rakta, Maus, Med, Asti, Majja, good. Shukra is also good. Vrisha in that sense. All metabolic processes of all the dhatus are clear. Rasayani is the best tonic, rejuvenator, anti-aging. Anushna, not too hot, is not hot like Maricha, is not dry like Maricha. What is the difference? In black pepper and long pepper, very interesting. Write down carefully. Professor Deshpande telling about Maricha and Pippali comparison. Both are used in Shwas and Kasavyadhi. But Maricha is a very ruksha or the dry and very hot. Pippali is not dry, it is anchas and anushna, not too hot. So Maricha should be used in totally kapha problem. Weight cough, congestion, stagnation, infection, Marich will be better. But Pittaj, Vataj, Kas, Pittaj, Vataj, Shwas, Asthma, dry type variety, Pippali should be used. I will tell you very two important home remedies. First, I will explain what is the meaning of each word. Shwas is the breathlessness. Rechani means clears the movements of the peristaltic movements. Kas, cough, dry as well as wet. Udara, ascites. Dravyaguna, Rasasamata. Kushta, many skin diseases. Prameha, diabetes mellitus. Cleve is more. So, Dhatvagni is relieved. Gulma is a tumor. Arsha, piles, but dry piles. Pliha, shula. Splenomegaly is there. Arm, whenever there is arm congestion is there. Nourishment, it does some nourishment to particular tissue or the cells. Okay, next, the same things are kapha vinashini. Shwas, breathlessness. Kasa is cough. Jwara is a fever. Vrishya is aphrodisiac. Medya, good for brain. Dhi, dhruti, smriti. Agni vardhini. Jirna jwara, chronic fever. PUO, pyrexia of unknown origin. Don't forget to use the Trikatu churna or Trikatu tablet. Agnimandya, indigestion is there. Ajirna, again indigestion. Aruchi, anorexia. Rutta, Rudroga. Pandu, anemic condition. And Krumi, any infection like bacterial, viral or anti-helminthic. Now, lastly, I will try write down two home remedies. For Shwas means bronchial asthma, and for Kas, that is the cough problem. Now, if there is a wet cough, cough with expectoration, white expectoration, yellow expectoration, green expectoration, which suggests streptococcal, staphylococcal, pneumococcal infection, use Maricha and not Pippali. But whenever there is a dryness is there, burning of the throat is there, URTI is there, upper respiratory tract, not cough, only dry cough, use Pippali. Breathlessness, bronchial asthma is there, but no cough, then Pippali should be used. But lot of cough, bronchiectasis, pneumonia, Marichi should be used. Allergic cough, Vatajakas, Pittajakas, laryngitis, pharyngitis, upper respiratory tract infection, Pippali. Lower respiratory tract infection, Marich. And to prevent these URTI and LRTI, I am saying before the rainy season, before the cold season, at the beginning of June, at the beginning of December, you can try two interesting recipes. What are the names? What are the names? Vardhamana, Maricha, Rasayana. Why Deshpande is talking slow? To write down those things. Vardhamana, Maricha, Rasayana. Another name. Vardhamana, Pippali, Rasayana. You have to bring 10 gram or 20 as per, don't bring both because indications are different. Black pepper seeds, you bring some 5 gram, 10 gram. You bring Pippali, Piper longum, 5 gram, 10 gram. Now what I have to do? Take a vessel, steel vessel, good vessel. Then you put the one Maricha grain seed or one Pippali, or I am saying or, not both. For wet cough, Marich. For dry cough, Pippali. One Maricha, 1 cup of milk. See the level of the milk in the vessel. Then add 1 cup of water. 1 seed of Marich, 1 cup of milk. See the level, 1 cup of water. Boil it on the gas. Boil it. Remove the water. Remove the water and milk will remain. Chew that Maricha grain. It is little bit, what you can say, the not hard now. It's very soft. Chew it and drink that remaining 1 cup of milk. This is the first day program in the morning. On the second day, 2 grains of maricha, same 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, then 1 cup of water. Boil it, remove the water, drink 2 grains of milk and drink or chew the 2 grains of maricha. So in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every day you have to add 1 maricha, black pepper seed. When there will be little bit burning in your stomach or the abdomen, immediately stop. If you go up to 5, then come 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. So Vardhamana Rasayana means gradual up and gradual down. Same procedure can be repeated if there is a dry and burning. 1 Pippali, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water. Evaporate, boil the water, remaining milk. Drink the milk and chew the Pippali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. It depends. Every person has different sensitivity, different prakriti. Whenever there is a slightest burning in the throat or stomach, immediately reduce. Immediately reduce. If you are up to 4, then 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. If you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Simple 8 days program, 10 days program, 15 days program. This is called as a Vardhamana Maricha Rasayana or Vardhamana Pippali Rasayana as a preventive treatment in the dry or wet variety of asthma and cough. I hope we have completed 71. We will continue the remaining herbs in the next session. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. I wish you all the best. I wish you happy, healthy and long life. Please, if you like this all my explanation, please make a like. Then you send your remarks and suggestions, and you can WhatsApp me your name and address and who are you, doctor, student, where you are, address. And please subscribe all the videos to your friends, YouTube groups, and ask them, request on behalf of them, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please take care. I am now stopping this video. I will first stop sharing the video and then I will end this video. Okay. Bye-bye.